Hi guys, 12:01. Nag-usap kami ni Tami. Yun, parang may naramdaman akong hindi maganda. Yung ilong ko is tulo ng tulo, sakit ng mata ko, hatching ako ng hatching. At yun guys, and second night na nagbibisit ako sa yard, yung isang skunk is nagpunta sa kapitbahay sa likuran malapit sa swimming pool nila. And so yun, kailangan ko pa talagang i-check kasi talagang nagdidig talaga. Merong isang sa front, meron ding isa dito sa back. So, kaya yun, binabantayan ko. At tinatawagan ko si Tami. Sabi pa niya sa akin, well, actually na tumawag, sabi ko, okay, balik ako sa labas. And then tinitext niya ako mga 30 minutes later. Nagpahinga siya sa rest area. Kasi talagang pagod na pagod siya at delikado. Madisgrasya sa pagdadrive. So, matulog daw siya ng 1 hour and drive. And he still have to work tomorrow. So, yun yung problema. Parang itong camera ata, no? Useless ata ito talaga, guys. Kasi paglabas, pag sabi ni Tami, meron daw siyang nakita pag uwi niya. And then, hindi ko man nakita. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon, morning na, no? Nakauwi si Tami kagabi, mga 2 o'clock na, guys. 2 o'clock na. At perting pagod daw, pagoda. Perting kapuyis yung lawas, pagod na pagod, guys. At ngayon, andito pa siya sa bahay. Sobrang 11 o'clock na, late na. Nagmamadali siya, guys. Kasi nakatulog siya ng mahimbing kasi gising siya ng gising. Tulog and then gising na naman. Nagmamadali. Ginawan ko lang siya ng salad. Ginawan ko siya ng, tawag nito, salad. At saka yun, dito siya natulog. Kasi ay, hoy, naog diha ba? Naunsa naman yung kigwahon. Di gid maminaw ning iringan ni. Asan man yun akong tripod, oy? I have a tripod ba? So, let's see kung pwede ba to dito. So, yan. Ganun na lang. Ito na lang yung dalhin ko sa Pilipinas. Wag na yung tripod na sobrang haba kasi siya talaga, mabigat siya sa luggage. So, ito na lang yung dalhin ko. Mas mabuti pa, no? So, my husband is working again because he is a hard-working hubby even though he is so tired. No? He's very tired na and he went to sleep last night sa rest area. How many hours? Half hour? That's it? That one. Then you don't sleep good last night? Oh, I love you. Sorry, love. I really feel so bad, hon. Hey, can you close your thing? Because that's mine. You see him taking something. What he's taking was oregano oil. And that really helps me. Last night when I was like, can't breathe. My eyes is teary eye. And then my nose. This morning, I'm kind of okay. Right, love? Last night, honey, my eyes was funny like this. Okay. Oh, you don't tell me. I wish I can. Okay, give it to me. You sit down. So I'm wearing my coat again, guys, because this house is very, very freezing. It's like okay, put that down, your salad. So I made him salad, and I miss vlogging, like real vlogging, guys.
Can't put the big salad in a little water.
Huh?
Can't put the big salad in a little water.
Hello.
The water is more important than the salad.
So now what is it now?
I don't know. You would tell you that was too much salad.
You cannot lay this down on top of the salad?
No.
Why? Okay, so now I have to find a container. Alright.
What's that?
Huh?
Where did the water bottle come from?
Oh, where is that? Bring that.
What?
Bring that. That's a juice that I did
Juice from what?
yesterday. The other one is full, so I put it. Shake it when you drink it, huh?
Oh, it's orange.
Orange.
Okay.
So what kind of? This one is enough or that really?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll do it myself.
Let's do the clams.
I'll do it myself. You're gonna ruin the egg. I make it perfect.
Yeah, it's not perfect. Nothing's perfect in life.
I don't want to put everything down. Maybe you need to get the clumps. Okay. Good, we'll get the clumsy. Don't look at me. I get so nervous. My boss is watching.
Just put a couple eggs in there and we're done. You fish it all.
Mary Ann, why you always sound mad? No, I'm not mad. This is me. Normal?
Mad.
Han?
Normally mad.
Han. Stop it.
Where's the top?
What, the thing? It's maybe in the other side. You find it in
Put it in there.
Oh, you have fruit here. Take it out. Take it out. Hey, the fruit, the pineapple.
So you took my fork out of there and you put a different one?
I put different one. How do you know I took it out?
Because I see. Because my eyes work.
You're so smart.
Okay. Levian, I go. I'll talk to you later. If you get a minute and you do laundry, because working every day, I don't have enough clothes. I can't do it. Bye, guys.
Sabi ko, wala akong gusto sa birthday ko. Gusto ko, uwi ako ng Pilipinas. At bago yung isip ni Mary Ann, sabi ko, na magpunta ako sa Macy's. Magbili ako ng mga damit ng pamangkin kong babae. Yun yung gawin ko. Naglinis ako sa aking washing machine. Nilinis ko yung washing machine, guys. Binabrush ko kasi yung alam nyo na this kind of washing machine need to be clean. So yun, binabrush ko, in-spray ko. Kasi like dito, oh. Look. Walang laman. So ngayon, doon sa loob, dito sa labas, in-scrub ko siya. Kasi may mga mold na, guys. Mag-mold pala yan, no? So bago ako maglabas sa damit ni Mister, anuhin ko muna yan. Linisin. Ang bahay natin is puro pillow, blanket. Kasi nga, ating bahay is relaxing place for tummy. So, ano ng oras? 9:02. 9 o'clock. Ngayon pa ako naglinis, guys. Ngayon pa ako naglinis. Nag-vacuum tayo, no? Vacuum. And that's it. Tapos tayo, guys. Patayin lang natin itong ilaw dito. Okay. So, yan. Puti si Roxy, oh. Si Roxy mahirap nang hanapin. Puting-puti na. Anyway. So, yan, guys.